Have you ever felt constantly drained, bloated, or like your immune system just isn't keeping up? Well, there's a reason moringa is called the miracle tree. In this video, we're breaking down how this green superleaf can help you reclaim your health from the inside out. A moringa isn't just a trendy plant powder. It's packed with over 90 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and essential amino acids that your body needs to function at its best. From reducing inflammation to improving digestion and even helping regulate blood sugar, moringa supports nearly every system in your body. What I love most? It's natural, affordable, and comes with almost no side effects for most users. Plus, it's vegan and eco-friendly. Whether you're recovering from fatigue, trying to boost your gut health, or simply want to stay ahead of seasonal illness, moringa can be your go-to green supplement. Feeling curious or ready to give moringa a try? Click the link in the description to grab your bottle and start your wellness journey today. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real reviews, and share it with someone who needs a natural health boost. See you in the next video.